Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. I'm here at Animal Kingdom and I haven't been to this park in a while because it's actually one of my least favorite parks to come to, but it's been a while and you know it's a beautiful day out here, so might as well just explore and see what I can get to. So journey along with me as we enjoy our day here at Animal Kingdom. Swiggy, he's doing his exercise for the day.
They would have to be starving because they feed them. They're like, okay.
Alright. We're going to go ride Everest, hopefully.
You know, they're like, hey, if I'm getting fed, why?
It's one of my favorite rides here in Animal Kingdom.
It's time to go for lunch.
So about to go on Expedition Everest. Wait time for the standard line is only 15 minutes. Yay! So I'm excited. The last time I came here, it was like stretched closer to like I don't know what you call it, like the end, basically the end of like past the bridge back there. So and it's moving along really quickly. I remember a long time ago before COVID happened, I used to always come here and then just take the single rider line over there, but you know they got rid of all the single rider lines here, so we have to wait in standard lines for every single ride now. But it's not so bad like when you see it as a 15-minute wait. So anything 20 minutes or less, I'm down for. So
over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
coming onto Everest, the best coaster here in Animal Kingdom. And it's funny guys, my friend has the most appropriate shirt for this ride. He has a Yeti on his shirt and it says drink well with others. Speaking of drink, maybe we might grab a drink in the morning. I think it's time for a beer. Look who it is. It's Mickey and Pluto and Minnie.
On behalf of Mickey and his pals, have an adventurous day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
So I like how I just came into the queue for the safari ride. It said it was about, what, 30 minutes? And I'm literally walking right on. This is so awesome. Look, I'm already at the front of the line. It was like no wait at all. This is so cool. Yay. Where are we going? Left or right? Left or right? Pick one. Same thing. Oh yeah. Oh, we're getting row 1. I feel special. Row number 1. Yay.
Notice of the stripes are exactly the same. Baby zebra, foal, is first born will imprint upon the mother, identify and memorize her striping pattern. Easily find her to zebras to be known as a dazzle. The more than there are, the more the stripes will blend together. Eyes are redder, up to confuse animals. Black and white also throws off the fish to most insects, articulating on zebra. Mountain zebras have smaller hooves compared to crabs. Crabbies and zebras, better for the rocky terrain and mountains. Also, an extra skin flap on the neck. So they have those that do lap, needs and control their body temperature and circulation. And here on the left, we're seeing the African wild dogs, also known as painted dogs. They hunt in packs of 5 to 15, led by an alpha male. Monkeys in Africa. Mandrill troop, led by a dominant male, really being the largest of the troop. Elephants was led by one female elephant. The male elephants hold no leadership roles. Members age around 15 years old, their childhood ends, they'll lead the herd. You want to go hide out where it's shady and cool and you want to avoid the hot rock. They're pretty fortunate to get a pretty good view of the male lion. Female lions, the primary hunters for the pride. Males go out. The females go out behind, the males will stay behind to protect the pride, guard them from rival predators, protect the cubs. So they're excellent jumpers. They can leap about 20 feet across. Really good padding of their paws with a great grip on the rocks. Also allows them to move very silently so they can sneak up on their prey. Here on the right-hand side, there's a couple of white rhinos, the brown and white fur on the horn, and a Bonte bok. Now, rhinos run about 35 miles an hour, but they have very poor eyesight, which is probably why in our group they are known as a crash. You might see about 10 feet in front of them. They do have wonderful hearing. Swahili word for lion is Simba. Eggs taking day and night shifts. 40 days or so. The ostrich runs about 45 miles an hour. Their long legs allow them to be nice and big.
I do miss seeing the Lion King show because like every time I pass by there it's like closed and we don't ever know when it's going to ever reopen. But it's a cool show. I like to watching it every time I came here. But oh well, now we're gonna head into Pandora. So I'm walking through Pandora right now, and I'm passing by the Flight of Passage ride, which is right next to me on the right. And let's see how the wait time is on this. Oh, that's not even so bad. It's only a 30-minute wait just to get onto Flight of Passage. Now I want to see how long the Navi River Journey ride is. So come along, guys. Like overall, like this whole day so far has been really nice. Like I haven't waited more than maybe 5-10 minutes on everything that I've been going on, so it's pretty nice. I mean, I know it's not gonna last like this for a long time, obviously, because it's gonna get busier and busier, but for right now it's really nice. So we're coming up to Navi River Journey. Let's see how long this one is. Well, okay, so Navi River Journey is about a 40-minute wait, and that's the queue for it right now. Curious where the end of this line goes to. It looks kind of long. It's a lot longer than Flight of Passage, obviously. But here we go. The queue goes all the way over here. Oh. Oh yeah. This line obviously is a bit longer, but I was just curious how long the wait for that one was. And the end of the line reaches back here. Saying bye, Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto. Aw, just missed them as I was heading out. So this is gonna end this trip at Animal Kingdom. It was amazing. Got to like walk on all the rides that I wanted to go to, and it was a great. The weather was awesome too. So if you guys enjoyed this trip here with me at Animal Kingdom, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.